Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SK Girly Skills. If you are first time at my channel, please like and subscribe. As my last video was about how to cut a round neckline, it was a full tutorial of cutting a round neckline. This is the second part of that video in which I will tell you the full tutorial of how to stitch a round neckline. So everyone who is interested in stitching and want to stitch their clothes at home by themselves, so this is a free stitching class for you. I will give you an easy method of stitching this round neckline, so watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Here I took a piece of extra fabric of the same cloth of my shirt. I will press it first. I kept the wrong side of the fabric up and place the cutted buckram of the neckline evenly on the fabric. The shiny side of the buckram should be down, that it could easily stick into the cloth, that when we start pressing, when you are sure that you had placed it correctly, start pressing it. First part of this video's link is given in the description. Here I am cutting the extra fabric, just leaving half inch of the fabric. Here I am making small cuts. Be careful while cutting, we don't want to cut the buckram, only the fabric. Flip the extra cloth inside of the buckram like this. Just flip the extra fabric inside and stitch on the corner of it. This is the front part of the shirt. Fold it in half and press it well. Make a small cut in the center of it. And mark on 3.5 inches the width of the neckline, and make a small cut on this as well. the small piece of fabric with the bukram, I also made a small cut in center of it. First place the front part of the shirt. The right side of the fabric should be up. On that, the fabric with the bukram should be on wrong side up. Keep it both in center and start stitching. Here I am making a one straight rough stitch just to hold both fabrics together. Now start from the corner of the neckline. I start stitching. The stitch of the machine is just in the edges of the bukram. Now I am cutting the extra fabric. Just follow this video step by step, do it correctly, and you will be able to sew your perfect round neckline by yourself. Now I am making small cuts again. Be careful not to cut bukram or the stitch in edges of it. Here is time for the last stitch to make it more secure. If you are first time at my channel, please like and subscribe for the more interesting videos. This was a tutorial for the neckline, but if you are interested in the full tutorial of the stitching of cloth or cutting of cloth or any kind of designs, so tell me in the comment section, so I'll be there with that useful videos that you need.